This is a Medabot Metaroch. This is a Medabot Metaroch Advance. These watches let you experience what it's like to have a Medabot. You walk around, and as you walk around, you gain parts. As you walk around, you also have to maintain your Medabot. These watches work with these medals. These medals say what type of Medabot it is. And whenever I saw this, I thought, well, how does that work? Well, these medals on the backside have holes or not have holes. And they align up to the inside of these watches. When it has a hole, it doesn't press the button down. When it has no hole, it presses it down. As you can see, there's 8 of them in 2 rows. And on these medals, they have a number. These original ones go between 1 and 254. So I figured, well, if there's 8 possible holes and a normal number, then this must be binary. After figuring out that it is, I ended up making a 3D print like this. I just at first try to make all holes line up perfectly. After completing that goal, I was able to make these. These are the same line of holes as these. So now I'm able to duplicate and make ones that didn't exist or that I cannot obtain. Especially the not obtain part, because these metals are rare and pretty expensive online. They range wildly in different prices. You can buy a few for cheap, but the majority of the time you have to spend quite a bit, and they're only in Japan. The goal of this wasn't just for me, but for everyone that can't obtain them, but can obtain a 3D printer. My issue with this project was that for a while I didn't really know how to give these out to people. I didn't want to just make a certain number of them that I knew about and upload that, and I didn't really want to give just this model away and tell people to fill in the holes that are needed. Because not everybody knows how to really do that, and not everybody knows binary. In the end, I ended up creating a website where you can put in a number for which metal you want, you can press generate, and once it's generated after a few seconds, you can click save. That save will give you a STL file to load up in whatever slicer you want. I personally use a Bamboo P1S printer, and I print it at 0.2 layer height. Once it's printed, and we'll take this one for example, it lines up perfectly inside the Meta watch, and when you close it, it's recognized and shows up correctly as if it was a real one. Now, like I said, I'm doing this for everybody else and for myself. And I hope that you like this project, and I hope that you like my other projects and want to subscribe. If you have any issues or want to know more about this project, go ahead and type it in the comments and let me know, and I'll respond to you. Thank you.